Hello friends, आपका नमस्ते. So today's video we will detect face and eye using Haar Cascade. Let's get started. Before that, we have to require two YML file. Let me first preview the code. Just run the file. Okay. Please, before explaining, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So this way, it's Haar Cascade is working on this. You can say on this video. So let's get started. Here, first thing you have to require is CV2. Then we have to load a pattern model that detect face. For that, we use this XML file. Just use cp2.cascade classifier. Then to detect eye, we use this Haar Cascade eye XML file. Okay. Then we have to load the video. For that we use cp2.video capture. Then the path of the file. Then how we can get the FPS. This way we get the FPS of the video. After that, we have to calculate a delay which is required, because when you will do just put we will just put one here, CPU wait key one. Then according to the computation of the CPU, the frame go. It does not go according to the video FPS. Okay. Now, just to read the frame one by one, we have to use a while loop. Then capital read give me two things: frame and rat. Result means here result basically the bool type, true or false. If it is true, means frame is there. False means frame is not there. Videos get added. After that, we resize the frame according to our size. This is 960 to 720, and then we convert that into grayscale, which is required by the Haar Cascade. Okay. After that conversion, we just use face cascade dot detect multi-scale function. Okay, in a scale image, here scale factor image scale reduction is this, meaning minimum neighbor 5 means reduction confidence. Then minimum size of the will be face size will be 60 by 60, so it will detect the face multiple faces in the image if it is possible. Then it will, how we loop over the faces, we get this thing x, y, and wh. According to that, we will plot the rectangle. Just xy is the top left corner coordinates value, and for the bottom right corner coordinates value, you have to use x plus w and y plus h. This way you will get it. You will draw the rectangle. After that, after getting this, you have to extract the, means you have to extract the region of grayscale array phase region. You have to extracted it. For that, you have to use just gray, then y till y plus h, then x plus w. Same way in a color array color. For in color, you have to use frame original frame without changing the grayscale. Same way you will extract the ROI color region from the frame. Then after that, you have to use for detection of the eye. Here just the detection of the face is done till here. Okay. After now we have to detect the eye. For that you have used eye cascade detect multi-scale. Same parameters is used. Then passing the grayscale, scale factor, minimum neighbor, then the minimum size. Here minimum size will be 20 by 20. After getting the eyes, we just loop over the eyes. Okay, and then we get two things, or four coordinates values: ex, ey, ew, and eh, and same way we draw the rectangle around that. Okay, and this way we plot means we I show the frame. Then after cp2.wait key, and as soon as I press escape B, the loop will break. Here we release the memories. Okay, so this is a simple, very simple code where we detect eye and face using Haar Cascade. Okay, now let me save it and run this file, run this code. Okay, see how it's working on this video. Okay, so I have explained you each line very clearly. If you get some knowledge with this video, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks to all.